Halo lore facts you probably didn't know. Engineers aren't even technically biological creatures. Engineers were made out of what you could basically consider to be nanotechnology that closely replicated actual organs and tissue. Due to this, they survived the firing of the Halo rings and were also tasked with repairing Forerunner technology, including the rings, after the Forerunners had died out. Next, I'm going to let you guys know a little bit about our beloved Helljumpers. That's right, the ODSTs. They have an extremely high chance of dying whenever they do their orbital drops, which is part of the reason that they're actually called Helljumpers, well, aside from other obvious reasons. ODSTs also happen to have a bit of a one-sided, bitter rivalry with the Spartans because of their unnatural abilities that were gifted to them by the Spartan program, obviously. Because you see, ODSTs are in a way kind of like the Navy SEALs of the UNSC. They are pretty much the best of the best right under Spartans, which once again are those unnaturally gifted super soldiers. So in a way, the ODST's position holds less value because of the existence of these super soldiers that didn't do nearly as much work as the ODSTs to get to where they are now. But now for the last bit of info I'll be telling you about today, we are going to be talking about the Senshayum, also known as the Prophets, or the species that the Prophets are, because why would they all be called fucking Prophets? That's kind of stupid. Either way though, these floating, talking eel scrotums are a lot more diverse than you'd think. You see, at a certain point, the Senshayum kind of split from each other in a way, into two groups. There were the warrior Senshayum, around the age that regret or truth might be, and also the other group was the kind of Senshayum that you see in the games. The ones that would be in the council, the lazy fuckheads, basically. And before the Halo rings fired, the second group that you see in the games were considered to be very smart and basically master manipulators. This was even said by the Forerunners. So, you gotta give them some credit there. Though in the modern era of Halo lore, some warrior-type Senshayum do actually make an appearance, not in the games, but in novels. These are called prelates. They're pretty much the Covenant equivalent to a Spartan. They were highly efficient and deadly Senshayum warriors. And yes, they do look like fucking stick bugs, but if you treat them like one, you'd probably be dead within nanoseconds. For now, that's all I've got for you, but hopefully, depending on how well this video does, I'll put out more content like this. See you soon.